Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shruti Mokal and today we are going to make butter chicken. This is the list of the ingredients which we are going to need for today. You can pause the video and check it out or check the description below where I have listed everything out. So I guess let's get started. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get updated on my next YouTube video. And I guess see you next time.